Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some home decor styling tips that you can use around every space of your home to make them look as beautiful as possible. These are tips and tricks that home decorators and interior designers use to make a picture-perfect room every single time. So if you're looking for some decorating ideas for your home, I hope this video helps. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Something that you should do in every single space that will make the biggest difference is what I call hiding the ugly. And that pretty much means hiding all those things that you need in the space that don't look too decorative. So that is television cords, chargers, toilet paper. Hide away all of those things that don't look too pretty. Every single designer hides the ugly. The easiest place to start is just with some cord covers. I think cord covers go the longest way. They're super affordable and they will instantly clean up the look of any space that has cords hanging down the walls. Maybe you have plug-in wall sconces, a TV, your computer cords. Hide those cords and your room will look a million times better. You can pretty much turn everything that's functional in your home into a decorative opportunity. Baskets are a great way of doing that. I hide away my cat toys, remotes, chargers, speakers, anything that just looks a little messy, I put into a basket. You can also do this with products on your countertops in your kitchen and bathrooms. All of your soaps and oils and products, you can re-jar those into more decorative jars. Amber bottles, clear bottles, anything that just looks a little bit more put together and intentional will make such a big difference. So sometimes it's not about getting rid of the ugly things in your home, it's just about hiding them. Now, something I do in every single space is mix old with new. That's usually mixing existing pieces with new pieces or mixing thrifted pieces with new pieces. Sometimes you need to add in those old pieces to make your space look lived in, comfortable, and unique. I always start every single design project at the thrift store. I feel like it's such a great place to find unique pieces for your home that make it look collected and comfortable and lived in, but it also helps you save money and keep more money in your budget to buy those brand new pieces. So I always recommend mixing old with new when you're designing a space. If you go around to decor stores now, you'll actually notice that a lot of pieces intentionally look thrifted. They look older, they look a little antique. It's definitely in style right now to have that lived in look. So if you can find any of those pieces while thrifting, you will save a ton of money. It could be as small as a vase, a book, a throw blanket, or it could be a full furniture piece. I also find that I do the exact same thing when it comes to my wardrobe. At the start of a new season, I love finding new pieces for my wardrobe from ThredUp. So thank you so much to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. ThredUp is an online thrift and consignment store that sells women's and children's clothing, accessories, and shoes. And you can find all of your favorite brands on there at such a discounted price. I have found some of my favorite pieces in my entire closet from ThredUp. I love that you can just thrift shop from the comfort of your own home and everything just arrives at your door, really well packaged where it feels like you're shopping at a boutique. This is probably my favorite thing from my fall order. This is a Wilfred dress, originally from Aritzia, so it has an estimated retail value of $153. And I got it on ThredUp for just $40.99. I also shopped an entire outfit on ThredUp. These are Everlane jeans. They have an estimated retail value of $83, and I got them on ThredUp for just $43.99. These Steve Madden booties are so cute. I love boots like this for the fall. And they have an estimated retail value of $102, and I got them on ThredUp for just $55.99. This is a Topshop cardigan that has an estimated retail value of $81, and I got it on ThredUp for just $27.99. And then underneath, I'm wearing this long sleeve gray bodysuit. This is a pretty little thing bodysuit and it has an estimated retail value of $60, and I found it on ThredUp for just $16.99. Okay, and how cute is this? I always find my favorite shackets on ThredUp. This is by the brand Collection by Cassell, and it has an estimated retail value of $80, and I got it on ThredUp for just $24.99. Also, this cozy Zara beanie. It has an estimated retail value of $21, and I got it on ThredUp for just $13.99. You guys can get an extra 30% off your first ThredUp order by clicking the link down below in my description box and using my code Kristen30. Now, every decorating project starts with painter's tape. I tape out every single thing before I do anything to make sure I love it and it's exactly where it should be. If I'm putting in a rug, I put tape down on the floor to see if it's in the right spot. If I'm putting up artwork, I hang a piece of tape first. Tape can be your best friend when it comes to measuring pieces, finding exact placement. using painter's tape will make your design come to life exactly the way you plan. It's not just for getting those crisp corners and lines while you're painting. I use it to plan out entire projects. It's such a great way to know if something's gonna work in your space or if it's gonna look way too big or way too small. So before you hang anything, install anything, or buy new furniture, tape out your design so that you can make sure that your ideas will work in real life. Another type of tape that you absolutely need on hand when decorating is rug tape. Rug tape will keep your rugs exactly where you put them the first time. They won't be shifting around, they won't be a tripping hazard, the corners won't roll up because you've taped them down with rug tape. Rug tape is just a really strong double-sided adhesive that will keep your rugs completely in place. I also use rug tape to layer rugs so that they don't become a tripping hazard. Again, they stay exactly where you place them. I use rug tape on my large area rugs, my front door mats. I even use them on my outdoor rugs. I've taped down my outdoor rugs so that they don't move and shift when the wind blows. So if you have an area rug, a kitchen mat, a front door mat that just is shifting around and maybe even becoming a little bit dangerous, definitely use some rug tape and it will make the world of a difference. Now, if you're feeling a little bit stuck when it comes to picking specific decor pieces for your home, just go with flowers, plants, or stems. Just adding that organic touch into your home will add a touch of decor, but it will also bring in just a sense of life into that space. It will add color, it will brighten it up, and make it look really styled. But if you're someone like me that just cannot keep these real plants alive, you can do a little decorating trick by just adding a little bit of water to any vase and putting in artificial stems. This is gonna make your flower arrangements look very, very realistic. Adding that little bit of water will go such a long way, and it's just a little decorating trick that you can use in every room of your home. Now, if you want to add some style, some personality, and some interest to your bathroom, just implement a little stool. A little stool by your bathtub goes such a long way, and it just adds this decorative designer touch. It's that little piece of furniture in a space that doesn't usually have furniture that just makes it look lived in and comfortable. You can have it styled by your bathtub to put your drink, your phone down, maybe some soap, and you can bring it over to your countertop and use it to sit to do your hair and makeup. So it's just that functional piece that you can implement into your bathroom, but it's also decorative. If you have an all-white bathroom, sometimes it's nice to bring in a contrasting element like a wood stool or a black stool, something that's going to kind of bring together your design a little bit more. So if you have a bathtub, add a little stool in there and it will just create that designer welcoming touch to your space. Now, if you already have throw blankets around your home, you could just start implementing them in a different way to create a brand new look in your space. Throw blankets are, of course, for laying across your lap and really getting cozy and comfortable in your space, but they can also be a great way to add style. And it's all about where and how you use this throw blanket. You can lay your throw blankets across the back of your sofa to add some interest in texture and pattern back there, where usually it would just be blank and boring. If you have multiple throw blankets, I love just rolling them or layering them into a basket on the floor in your living space. You can even use them up your blanket ladders to really add style and texture and warmth up your walls. It just creates a really inviting, cozy experience in your space, and it's such an easy thing that you can do. I feel like throw blankets really speak volumes in a space of how you want that space to feel. In a bedroom, you can lay them across the bed tightly, or you can drape them across a corner in a more laid-back style. You can also flip your throw blankets vertically just to create a different touch as well, and another layer to your decor. So don't underestimate the use of throw blankets. They can totally transform a space in a new way. Now, if you have a lot of books in your home, maybe you have books lining bookshelves or built-ins across your home, and you want to restyle that space, you can do that with all of your existing books just by styling them in a new way. If you're going for more of a neutral look in your home or a specific color palette, sometimes just flipping your books backwards so that you don't see the colored spines will really help neutralize the look of those bookcases and make them look a little less busy. Now, of course, if you're reaching at the books all the time and reading through your book collection, turning them backwards is not going to be helpful for you, so definitely keep them as is. But if you're going for a little bit more of a decorative touch and you just have a ton of books that you're not reading, this is something you should definitely try. Another thing you can do if you have hardcover books is remove the outer book sleeve. This is usually shiny, highly colored. By removing it, you're usually left with a really neutral linen book cover. And this is so much more decorative and so much easier to style. This is something free and easy that you can do that's gonna instantly change the look of your space. It's always fun to create a pretty space, but it's also very important to remember to create a comfortable space. I think furniture layout has a lot to do with that. Your furniture layout should always invite conversation. If you have furniture in a space that just faces the TV or just faces one direction and the furniture pieces don't work together very well, or you can't really communicate in your space, it makes it hard to live in and hard to use. So I always try and create a furniture layout that can bring together a space and bring together people. You can use your sofa for lounging and watching TV, but you can also bring side chairs in there to have conversations and bring people together. It just allows you to have a little bit more going on and actually creates a very inviting, welcoming feeling. Now, a fun way to add excitement to your space, if you ever feel like you're getting bored of it or it's looking a little bit dull, is decorate seasonally. And this isn't bringing in seasonal decor of pumpkins and Christmas trees. This is more about bringing in different textiles that are going to implement a new look into your space. It can just be as simple as swapping out your throw blankets and your pillow covers. That will make such a big difference and make your space feel new and exciting again. So consider what season you're in and decorate towards that. Bring in those lighter, airy finishes in the spring and summer, and the wool, knit, and heavier textures in the winter. Sometimes just doing this little refresh can make such a big difference and just add to the overall feeling of your home. You don't have to change up every single thing in your home, but adding in one or two little pieces will freshen up your space and make it feel brand new again. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can start implementing into your space. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these decorating ideas did you need to hear and which one are you going to start implementing into your space. If you're looking for even more decorating ideas, I will leave the first video I made all about this topic linked down below in the description box. I go over rules and tricks and tips that will really help you to create the perfect looking space. And again, thank you so much to ThredUp for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are looking to add some new fall fashion to your wardrobe this season, definitely check out ThredUp. Click the link down below in the description box to get an extra 30% off your first ThredUp order by using the code Kristen30. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!